Okay, the furnace just started. See, we got the LED for the DSI module on. See a little pilot flame back there. Green LED on for the pilot gas. And about neg 0.60 on neg pressure on the differential switch. And I got 2 LEDs on. Now the flame just came on. Waiting for the blower to kick on. Notice second LED on the gas valve came on to open gas into the burner so it could be ignited. Now just waiting for the blower to come on. See, we still got negative 0.6 on the manometer. And when the blower turns on, LED on the right should go out. There it goes. Power on.